Hello. Say creativity
Creativity
in maths.
in maths.
Say creativity
Creativity in maths. In maths.
Yes, creativity in.
Maths.
Today we are going to look at some great men that in maths that we even use up till what? Today. Some important things we still use up till what? Today. There are just some little upgrade that we made to the things they created. Like they have people like who? Say Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage.
Say Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage.
Now, Charles Babbage created a machine called the Babbage difference engine. Say Babbage difference engine.
Babbage difference engine.
Say Babbage difference engine.
Babbage difference engine.
Now, this Babbage difference engine turns out to be the first computer. Turns out to be the world first computer ever created. He's a mathematician. He's a what? Mathematician. And he created the Babbage difference what? Engine. What's it called? Say Babbage difference engine. And that's the word first what? Computer. That was the first word? Computer. We have another
and because it's problem. Bella, please don't do this.
Everywhere. Who is doing who is doing mouth? Let's get it.
No. Please fuck him.
I'm cutting out the bowl.
I am with my book. Go and get your pencil.
Okay, so go ahead, paint your second leg. Yeah. That's enough. Hold on, let's put this on top. That's enough.
king and queen. This promise is not around, so it's
Question from 1 to 20. Choose a question.
pick one.
20. Okay. Question 20. The number after 5 is. She's the one to answer, so don't answer, just listen. Do you understand? It's a question. So you have 30 seconds.
Your time is.
The number after 5 is dash. So what's the answer? The number after 5 is dash.
Time up.
Time up. Bonus. Abdulmajid. The number after 5 is 6. Clap for him. Bonus question. Number 6. The number before 10 is dash. The number before 10 is dash. The number before 10 is dash. So what's the answer? Your time has started. No, you still have time. You can try again. The number before 10 is dash.
Number 3.
Number 3. 5 take away 3 gives you dash. 5 take away 3 gives you dash. 5 take away 3 gives you dash. So what will it give you? No.
You have
said
answered. You have said it too.
2. Let's clap for him. Number 1. The number between 5 and 7 is. The number between 5 and 7 is. The number at the middle of 5 and 7 is what? The number between 5 and 7 is. Very good. Clap for me. Pick your question. Pick your question. Any number. 2, 4, 5, 6. Pick your question. Number what? Number 2. Spell 5. Spell 5. Shout it to your friends.
F-I-V-E 5.
Okay. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pick your question. 7. 5 and 5 makes. 5 and 5 makes. 5 and 5 makes. No, you still have time. Wrong. You still have time. Make another attempt. 5 and 5 makes. Wrong. Very good. Clap for her. 5 plus 5 makes 10.
4.
Number 4. The number after 3 is. The number after 3 is.
5.
No. The number after 3 is.
4.
Very good. 4. Clap for her. Number 12. A square has how many sides? A square has how many sides?
4 sides.
4 sides. circle has how many sides? Very good. Clap for him. You're not clapping. So Shula might pick your question. You have number 8, you have number 5, you have number 9, number 11, number 10. Number 5. Spell 11. Wrong. Try again, try again. You just missed the letter and shout. Try again. Your turn.
L
Yes.
E
Yes.
V
Yes.
L 11.
No, you're missing a letter. Pick your question. 14. The number between 8 and 10 is. The number between 8 and 10 is
9.
9. Very good. Clap for me. 9. Luna, pick your question. You have number 15, number 16,
Number
number 9. Spell 20. Clap for him. Alright. Shula might pick your question. You have number 8, number 11, number 13, number 15, number 16. Pick your question. The number 6 has been answered. You have number 8, 11, 13, 15, 16. Okay. A triangle has how many sides?
3 sides.
3 sides, correct. Clap for her. The triangle has 3 sides. Pick your question. 16. Spell 15. Yes. Yes.
S
Yes. No. Time out. Very good. Clap for him. So pick your question. No, pick your team number 18 and number 19. Number 19. Spell 19. Very good. Clap for Donald. Now, number 13, number 15, number 17. 15. 4 take away 2 gives you. 4 take away 2 gives you. No. 4 take away 2 gives you. 2. Clap for her. You have number 11, number 13, number 17, and number 18. Number 18. The number before 8 is. No. The number before 8 is. The number before 8 is 7. Correct. Clap for me. The number before 8 is number 17. 5 minus 5 is. 5 minus 5 is. 5 take away 5 is. Wrong. 5 minus 5 is. No. 5. What's this? 0. 5 take away 5 is. The end of the competition. Shulamites scored 3.5 points. Let's clap for Shulamites. And she came first. Clap for Shulamites. You're not clapping. Abdulmajid Yahaya, contestant number 2, scored 5 points. Clap for him. 13 and number 17? 11. 3 plus 1 makes 2. No. 3 plus 1 makes. Clap for him. Clap number. Donald, you have number 13 and number 17. So pick 13. 6 take away 3 gives you. 6 take away 3 gives you. No. 6 take away 3 gives you. No. Clap for both of them. You're not clapping. Clap, 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 clap. So, competition, the final end of the competition. Donald Esiri scored 5 points and he took second position. Let's clap for him. Donald, come. You're not clapping. He had 5 points, second position. Clap for him. Clap for him. Good job. Good job. And now for our winner. Our winner scored 6 points. You're not clapping it. 6 points. And our winner is Abdulmajid Yahaya. Let's clap for him. Clap, 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 clap. You're not clapping. Clap, 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 clap. When you're going home today, make sure you revise. Get ready for the competition. Okay? So let's clap for Abdulmajid again.
You're not clapping. Let's clap. So, thank you, Fred. Abdulmajid did a very good job. He did a very good job. He answered so many questions he was asked, and he also answered some bonus questions. Can we clap for Abdulmajid again? Clap, 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 clap. You're not clapping. Okay, so Abdulmajid, we want to say congratulations to you and receive your gift. Clap for him. Oh, you're welcome. He said thank you, I love you. Clap for Abdulmajid.
In 901, how many halves, Halves, in 901? Time is counting. Your time is up.
Bonus.
So bonus. How many halves in 901? The kangaroo is inside how many circles?
4.
1.
4 cycles.
1. 2. Are you ready for your question?
Yes.
So pick a number. Of 7. What is that number?
21.
Your hands together for him. So, question number 1. Solve 2 plus, open bracket, 3 plus 4, close bracket, times 2. That's the question. Solve 2 plus, open bracket, 3 plus 4, close bracket, times 2.
11.
3 plus 4, close bracket, times 2. Your time is up. Bonus. Next person. Solve 2
8.
plus,
16.
2 plus, open bracket, 3 plus 4, close bracket, times 2. Wrong.
16.
No, it's wrong. 16 is wrong. 2 plus, open bracket, 3 plus 4, close bracket, times 2 is 18. So take note of that. Primary 1, group A. Question number 11. So question number 11. What plus 9 will give you 10? What plus 9 is 10? Correct. Your hands together for her. Pick a number from 1 to 11.
5.
Question number 5. Speak louder. 8 minus 7 is what? 8 minus 7 is what? 8 minus 7 is what?
1.
8 minus 7 is 1. Your hands together for her.
Number 9.
Okay, question number 9. Spell 45. Spell 45.
Fourtyfive.
Wrong.
Fortyfive.
That's correct. You answer her. Hands together for her. Yes. All right. So, next person, pick a number.
Number 10.
Number 10. The sum of 11 and 10 is a multiple of 7. Right? What is that number? Emma. The time is up. So bonus. The sum of, yes,
21.
21. That's correct. You have to get that. Alright, so the next question, next group, pick a number.
Number 7.
Question number 7, primary 2. How many triangles are there in the diagram below or the drawing below?
4. 4 triangles.
Wrong.
Number 5.
Question number 5. When skip counting in 5, what are the numbers between 35 and 50? When skip counting in 5, what are the numbers between 35 and 50?
45.
There are two numbers there. What are the numbers in plural between 35 and 50?
40 and 45.
That's absolutely correct. Alright. So next group.
Number 10.
Skip count in 2s and stop at 20. That's the question. Skip count in 2s and stop at 20.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Clap for her. You have to get that for her. That's correct. Alright.
Number 8.
Question number 8. Read 10, 18, 13, 11. Which is the smallest?
11.
No. The numbers are 17, 10, 18, 13, and 11.
10.
That's absolutely correct. Let's go to the next group.
Number 2.
We have 20 plus 8 tens minus 2 tens equals what? I'll take it again. 20 plus 8 tens minus 2 tens equals what?
80.
Absolutely correct. Clap for that, Okay? Question number 4. Right? 3 friends have 18 jelly beans together. They want to share the jelly bean equally among each other. How many jelly beans should each get? You don't understand our physics again. 3 friends have 18 jelly beans together. They want to share the jelly bean equally among each other. How many jelly beans should each friend get?
6.
Is that your final answer? So that's correct. You have to get that answer. Okay, question number 12. How many bundles of 10 are there in 50?
5.
That's correct. You have to get that one. So, okay, group B. Question number 8. When you put the 4 puzzle pieces together, please, you have to give us paper. When you put the 4 puzzle pieces together correctly, they form a rectangle with a calculation on it. What is the result of this calculation? Is that your final answer?
Yes.
No? It's wrong. Remember, you're asked to calculate.
Yes.
When you put the 4 puzzles together
Yes.
correctly,
Yes.
they form a rectangle with a calculation on it. We have to do the calculation and tell us the answer. What is the result of that calculation?
Simon.
Bonus. When you put, I'll take the question again. When you put the 4 puzzle pieces together correctly, they form a rectangle. That's what we're after. What is the result of these calculations? Wrong?
3. 6. 3. 6.
Simon.
Wrong. The time is wrong. 15 is the correct answer. Okay, the correct answer to that, I take it again, is 15, please.
6.
Primary 1. Question number 6, please. Name one unit of measurement that can be used to measure an electric pole. Just one. Unit of measurement, that's what we're talking about here. So, units. Remember we said units. Unit of measurement. That's what we're talking about. So please. Any of the units, we have so many of them. So any of them. Just
5.
huh?
Simon.
So your time is up. Name
Meters.
one- What? Come again.
Meters.
I'll take it. Meters, right? So that is correct. You answer together for us. Okay? So, question number 2. What is 0 plus 7? Your time is counting. 0 plus 7. What is? What is 0 plus 7?
7.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
That's correct. That's correct. Okay? 3. Sophie wants to pick 5 different shapes from the boxes. You have 5 boxes there. She can only pick one shape from each of those boxes. Which shape must she pick from the 4 boxes? Diamond, is that your answer? Please, you answer together for her. That's correct. Diamond is the answer. Will be primary. Question number 1. Each table in a restaurant seats 4 people. How many tables do you need to reserve for a party of 31 people? Each table in a restaurant seats 4 people. How many tables do you need to reserve for a party of 31 people? Okay, that's absolutely correct. Please, hands together for that. Pick a number.
Number 3.
Find the sum of the even numbers between 11 and 15.
26.
Is that a final answer?
Yes.
Hands together for you, please. That's correct.
Number 10.
Question number 10. In a class, 14 students collect stamps. 16 students collect postcards. 5 students collect boats, and that's 5 students collected boats, and 4 students collect none of them. How many students are there in this class together? In a class, 14 students collect stamps. 16 students collect postcards. 5 students collect boats. That is 5 students collect boats, and 4 students collect none of them. The question is, how many students are there in this class?
35.
How many students are there in
35.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
That's wrong. Question goes to group A. Aliu.
38.
Wrong.
5.
Joy has 2 tens of apples. How many does she have altogether? Joy has 2 tens of apples. How many does she have altogether?
Time up.
The bonus for group A.
20.
The time is up. Toby has 6 toys. He is to share it equal with Mike. How many will Mike get?
2.
Wrong. And don't always forget to give us the unit, please. Your answer.
Time up.
The time is
3 toys.
3 toys is the correct answer. You answer together. So with group B, at the end of the contest, ended with 6.5 points. So you have together for them. You have together for them. The winners of this contest, Group A, and at the end of this section, Group A ended with 10.5 points. Alright, without wasting time, we are now going to the next section of our contest, which is the abacus section. I hope you are ready. Yes. I have 24 minus 4 minus 1. 24 minus 4 minus 1.
19.
The first is 19, right? Oh, correct. Last together for the page. Last together for the page. Alright, so
4.
next question, please. I'm going to take it as slow as 20 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 minus 7 plus 1 plus 7 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 minus 10 plus 4 plus 4 minus 6.
3.
Wrong.
43.
Wrong.
5.
That's wrong. Are you ready? Next question. 13 minus 5 minus 1. 13. Is that your final answer? You are correct. You have to get that for a break. All right. Next question. 30 plus 2 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2.
38.
Group B gets the point, please. You have to get that point. Next question. Are you ready? Contestants, are you ready? Okay. I have 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 1. I'll take it again.
5.
That's wrong.
6.
That's wrong.
6.
Wrong. I will take it again, please. I have 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 1.
5.
Wrong. Continue.
Sasam 1.
Wrong, please. Perfect.
4.
Who said 4?
Hey.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
You want to get that point. So group A gets this point. Alright. Next question. Are you ready?
Yes.
15 minus 7 minus 5 equals what?
3.
Who said 3? Okay, that point goes to no one but group B. You have to get that point. Alright. 5 minus 10. What do I have?
19.
So, let's say 9.
Let's say 9.
Let's say 9. I had that. She said 9.
But I said 19.
Yes, but the correct answer is 9. So the point goes to group A. You have to get that together. Alright, are we ready? 0 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8. What do I have as my final answer? 0.
31.
Wrong.
30.
Wrong, please.
28.
This point goes to group B. You have to get that together. The answer is 28. You have to get that together. Alright, listen carefully. 5 plus 9 plus 5 minus 10.
9.
Yes, who will I give that question now? That point is going to no one but group A. You have to get up again. Clap. Okay? Our final question for the day. I have 27 minus 8 minus 5. What is my... That point goes to who, please? Who will tell us? No one but group B. You want to get up with them, please? Group B. And now the score for today's abacus math contest. All right, starting from the rear, at the end of this, I have Group A with 5 points. You have to get up for them. Clap, clap, clap. And Group B ended with 6 points. You have to get up for them, please. Okay, now for the total points of the whole of our Numeracy Week activity, right? I'm going to announce the final winner, starting from the rear. I have here with me Group B with 12.5 points. You have to get up for that thing. All right. Now, for the superstar number 1 of our contest, we have Group A with 15.5 points. You have to get up for that thing. Congratulations. Nevertheless, congratulations. Clap for her, clap for her. Clap for Aliyu Sani Akam. Congratulations. Let's clap for Farida Abubakar. And let's clap for the first runners up. Aisha Ahmed, clap for her.
She see some chest there.
She will do that.
Stop it for my
Clap for you, don't clap for person.
Hello friends. Welcome to school. What are the more we are doing today? We are doing project defense. We are doing what? Project defense. And that's the primary section. When they call you out for a project defense, make sure you speak out. You speak out.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Ibrahim Shehu. My project is instrument that reflect light. Reflect is when light bends. I made binocular, telescope, and magnifying glass. Some of the material I use are carton, carbon paper, glue, tissue rolls. The binocular helps us see objects 8 to 10 times bigger. The magnifying glass helps us see objects 2 to 6 times bigger. The telescope helps us see objects 20 to 100 times bigger. The binocular is used by soldiers to view their enemy that they are far away. The magnifying glass is used in school to view tiny writing on globe, map, and books. The telescope is used by research centers to view the sun, the star, the moon, and the other planets. I like about my project because it helped me make binocular, magnifying glass, and telescope. Thank you.
Wow. Put your hands together for Maria. sir. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Mary Abasa. I am in primary 3. My project is light. The title of my project is light light reflect. Tell us binoculars helps us see objects 8 to 10 times bigger. Telescope helps us see 20 to 100 times bigger. Magnifying glass helps us see objects 2 to 6 times bigger. Binoculars helps us see. Thank you.
Hands together for her. Clap for her. Clap for her.
Morning, teachers and friends. My name is Farida Abubakar. I am in primary 3. My project is instruments that refract light. I made a fine glass, binocular and telescope. Some materials I use are carbon paper, lens, tissue roll, color. Magnifying glass is used in school to view. Magnifying glass helps us see objects 2 to 6 times bigger. Telescope helps us to see objects 20 to 100 times bigger. Magnifying glass helps us. Binocular helps us to see objects 8 to 10 times bigger. Telescope is used in research centers. Binocular is used by soldiers to view enemies that are far away. Magnifying glass are used in school to view. Magnifying glass are used in school to view tiny writings in books, globe, and maps. I like my project because it helped me make binocular, magnifying glass, and telescope. Thank you.
Okay. So where's your magnifying glass?
Show us a magnifying glass. Okay. Your hands together for her. Clap for her.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Ashimu. I am in primary 1. Title of my project is abacus machine. I use glue, I use scissors, I use pens, I use bead. I put my bead in the pencil. I put my pencil in the hole. I put 1 bead at the top and 4 bead at the bottom. 2 plus 2 minus 3 makes 1. Thank you.
Clap for her. Clap for her.
So short.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Said Ibrahim. My personal project is abacus machine. I use carton paper, I use glue, I use brush, I use sugar paper. I put the pencil in the hole, I put 1 bit top, I put the pencil down, I put 4 bit down. Abacus used for calculation. Thank you.
Where was abacus first made? In Sokoto or in Kano or in China?
In China.
Very good.
Yes. Your hands together for him, please. Clap, clap.
Teachers, good morning, friends. My name is Abdul Muhammad Salah. I'm in primary 1. The title of my project is Abacus Machine. I use scissors, I use glue, I use sugar paper, I use cotton, I use pencil, I use bead. I put the pencil in the and pull.
Speak louder.
Speak out.
I put the pencil in the and pull one bit at the top. I put the pencil down and pull 4 bits at the bottom. Abacus is invented in China about 500 BC. Thank you.
So, what is 2 plus 2 on the abacus? What is 2 plus 2 on the abacus?
Show us 2 plus 2.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Promise Ezewoye. I am in primary 2. The title of my project is Continent and Oceans. I use paper. I printed it out. I use paint and I use pencil. I use cardboard paper. I use carton and I use pencil. We have 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. North America is next to Europe, and there's a 2 oceans to it. South America is next to Africa, and there's a 2 oceans between it. We have 7 oceans. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. And I enjoyed my project because it helped me to make a map. Thank you.
So, name one country in Africa.
We have Morocco.
Alright, clap for him.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Ali Sani Ali, and the title of my project is Continents and Oceans, and to locate the countries in the north, east, south, and west in 2 continents, that is South America and Africa. And these are the materials that I used to make this project. There are cardboard paper, sugar paper, sellotape, cardboard, pencil, pen, scissors, glue, brush, and also razor blade. This is how I made my project. First, I brought my carton. Then I carried my sugar paper, wrapped it around the front of the carton, and then after that I wrote my name at the back. After I wrote my name, then I started drawing the continent. When I finished drawing the continent, I painted them. After I painted them, then I started labeling them, and I am locating them in their positions. And I also located the countries south and west in Africa and South America. These are the ones that I located in Africa. There are Algeria, Nigeria, Somalia, South Africa. These are the ones that I choose in South America. There are Somalia, Peru, Brazil, and Argentina. And South America has only 12 countries, and Africa has 54 countries. And these are the 7 continents. There are Asia, Africa, North America and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. These are the 5 oceans. There are the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, the Southern, and the Arctic. After that, I started locating the names of the continents. I located South America in the middle of South America. I pasted North America in the middle of North America. I pasted Africa in the middle of Africa. I pasted Antarctica in the middle of Antarctica. I pasted Europe in the middle of Europe. And I pasted Australia in the middle of Australia. These are the big and smallest continents. Asia. Asia, it is the largest continent in the world. It's more than half of the world. And Africa is a little attached to Asia. And North America is also attached to South America. And Antarctica. Antarctica is not attached to any continent, but it don't have any country or any state or any capital. It's just a continent like that. And Europe is attached to Asia, but Europe is a different continent with Asia. And Australia is just a continent like Antarctica, but it does not have any country. Australia, and some people used to call Australia Oceania, and these are the biggest and smallest oceans. The Pacific is the largest, and it's also larger than Asia. The Atlantic it is the ocean that's separating South America from Africa. And the Southern is the Southern Ocean is the ocean that's separating Antarctica from Africa. And also the Indian is the ocean that's separating Asia and Africa, and Asia from Australia. And the Arctic is the one that's separating North America from Europe. Bye, teachers. Bye, friends.
Clap for me, please. You have to get that for me. That was awesome, right? That was fantastic.
Good morning, friends. My name is Sophia Basso Chua. I am in primary 2. Our project title for today is Continents and Oceans. Some of the materials I used are carton, carbon paper, sellotape, glue, and brush. The step I used to make my project are I cut carton in 2 halves. I carried one half, I kept the other half. I cut my carbon paper in a rectangular shape form, and I pasted it on my carton. Then I started pasting my continents and oceans. We have 7 continents of the world. There are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Talking about Asia, in North Asia we have Mongolia, in South Asia we have India, in West Asia we have Iran, and in East Asia we have China. Talking about Australia, Australia is a country and also a continent alone. Talking about Africa, Africa is in the middle of the earth. In North Africa we have Egypt, in West Africa Africa, we have Ghana. In East Africa, we have Ethiopia. And in South Africa, we have Botswana. Talking about Antarctica. Antarctica is full of ice. We have 5 oceans of the world. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. I like my project because they helped me to make maps. Thank you.
So if I'm traveling from Africa to Asia or from Africa to India, which ocean will I cross?
From Africa to India. To cross the Indian Ocean.
We can't hear you.
The Indian Ocean.
Clap for her.
That's awesome.
Good morning, friends. My name is Usepata Bubaka. This is my project on number 20. Using some flowers.
I used
Paper, ice glue, ice scissors, ice carton.
so count for us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you.
Good morning. Can we hear Toby? No. Okay, so Toby shout. Good morning. Say good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is okay. This is on using what? I used okay. I used C and I used carton. Okay, so count for us. Start from 1. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So thank you. This on using I used C and I used car. Good job. So can you count for us? Count for us. Touch. Start from 1. Shout. Yes. Yes. Good job. Yes. 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 And say thank you. Good morning. On using I used car. I used carton. Okay. Can you count for us? Okay, count for us. Touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10. This is on using. I used. And I used C. Okay, so count for us. Shout, yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
And
10.
thank you.
Money teachers,
This is on. I used. C. Okay, so count for us. Start from 1.
1, 2,
6. Thank you.
Good morning, just one for my name is Akutoria. This is my project. I use glue, number counting. This is sunflower. I use glue. I use paper. I use scissors. I use carton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you.
This is
on
on.
number counting.
I used
Paper.
and C.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Basashulamat. I am in Nursery 3. My personal project is on sculpture line. I made zigzag line. I made curve line. I made wavy line. I made curve line. I made loopy line. Then I use glue. I use scissors. I use cardboard. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Donna Esiri. I'm in Nursery 3. My personal project is on sculpture lines. I made wave line. I made zigzag line. I made dash line. I made straight line. I made dotted lines. I use scissors. I use cardboard paper. Thank you. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Jesse Sewole. I'm in Nursery 3. My personal project is on sculpture line. I made zigzag line. I made curve line. I made chain line. I line. I use scissors. I use glue. I use carbon paper. Thank you. Friends, my name is Akutoria. I'm in the my personal project is on sculpture line. I made zigzag line. I made home. I made curve line. I use scissors. I use glue and I use carbon paper. Thank you. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Numeracy. My personal project is on shapes. I use circle for the head, circle for the eye, triangle for the nose, square for the body, rectangle for the leg, rectangle for the hand, rectangle for the eyebrows, rectangle for the mouth. I use scissors, glue, sugar paper. Thank you. Teachers, good morning, friends. My name is Akutoria. I'm in two. My personal project is on shape. I use circle for the head. I use triangle for the eye. I use rectangle for the nose. I use triangle for the mouth. I use square for the body. I use rectangle for the hand. I use rectangle for the leg. I use glue. I use scissors. I use cotton paper. Thank you. Good morning, friends. My name is Builder Saya Wesamushime. I'm from Nursery 2. My personal project is on shape.
Tell us what you do.
I make triangle, square, and rectangle. Thank you. I use glue, I use scissors, and I use cotton paper. Thank you. Teacher, good morning, friends. My name is Juana Adam Swakawa. My personal project is on shape. I make rectangle for the hand. I make circle for the head. I make rectangle for the mouth. I make triangle for the nose. I use glue. I use scissors. I use brush. Thank you. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Boya Wadima. I am Nursery 2. My personal project is on shape. I make triangle for the roof. I make I use square for the windows. I make rectangle for the door. I use glue. I use scissors. I use carbon paper. Thank you. After I.
Again. I have 2 eyes. Let's clap for Umu. Muhammad, come on. Umu, go back.
Our nose.
Let's clap for Muhammad. Go back. Go out.
I have 10 fingers.
Go back. Susan.
I have 10 fingers.
Count it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 2 hands.
Dominion. I have 1 tongue.
I have 1 dog.
Stay there. No, stay there.
I have 2 legs.
I have 10 toes. Sadiq.
I have 3 legs.
So make sure you dance. Let's dance. Dance, 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 dance. I have 2 eyes. I can shut your eyes. And a nose to smell. I have 10 fingers that can touch. You do it very well. I have 2 ears so I can hear the birds up in the trees. I have a tongue inside my mouth to taste the food I eat. I have 2 eyes so I can see. I